Hello friends, welcome to the channel Health Tricks and Tips in English, the best pregnancy centric channel. Baby inside the womb is not comfortable all the time. He may feel sometimes uncomfortable, sometimes he can be frightened, sometimes the baby doesn't feel safe. So let me take you through some of the points a mother should understand, a pregnant woman should understand and be aware of so that the baby inside the womb is calm and cozy. So the number one reason of the baby not feeling well inside the womb is the stress a mother takes during pregnancy. There is a direct impact of the state of the mind of the mother on the baby's health. When you are happy, the baby inside the womb is also happy. When you are sad, there is a proportionate effect of your sadness on the baby in the womb and his development. So always ensure that during pregnancy you have to keep yourself calm, composed, happy and smile and laugh as much as you can. The number second thing is stressing yourself physically. Women are important part of the family. They do a lot of house chores, they take care of everyone in the family, and in this process, they might forget about their health. They can do extra work that is not advised at all during pregnancy. During pregnancy, you should not innovate yourself, you should not engage yourself in the heavy activities or the heavy work like lifting of the heavy items. This should be avoided because in any case if the pressure is falling on your stomach, ultimately it is having a bad effect on the development of the baby in the womb, and inside the baby can feel stressed, uncomfortable and unwell. Third reason is that sometimes pregnant women are not taking their proper diet. They would be skipping their diet. There could be n reasons to it. It could be workload, it could be anything, or they might not feel hungry. But dear pregnant ladies, I just want to tell you that this is not at all good for the baby in the womb. You should not skip any of your diet. You have to take balanced diet. In a day, you should take at least 6 times small diets so that you have a lot of energy, you have a proper food supply to the baby inside the womb, because this is also one of the reasons your baby could be in an uncomfortable situation. Number fourth reason is to be in a place where the sound is very loud. This loud sound is not at all a welcoming situation for the baby in the womb. The baby inside the womb is doing a lot of activities, and the baby doesn't want that any disturbance should be there, any loud sound from the outside world to disturb whatever he or she is doing inside the womb. He could be sleeping, he could be busy in some of the activities, he could be playing inside, and when such surprising sounds come from the outside, the baby inside the womb gets frightened. So avoid the places where the sounds are very loud. Number fifth thing is that a pregnant woman should not wear tight clothings, because when you wear tight clothings, this is directly pressurizing your baby inside the womb. Your baby has a very less space where he is developing, and if you are squeezing it by your tight clothes, this is really a bad situation for the baby. He might feel unsafe or uncomfortable. So always wear loose clothing, prefer cotton things, the airy clothes, so that you feel fresh and so the baby is also feeling the same. The last reason is that when the baby is developing inside the womb, the baby becomes so big in the last trimester that there is very less space inside the womb. And in this trimester, the baby is already under lots of pressure due to the space constraint inside the womb. So it is always advised to the pregnant woman to not to sit in the very close areas, and this is the time when the gallbladder pressure is automatically falling on the baby. You need to understand this time that the sleeping position should be always towards your right or the left side so that you can lessen this pressure, and you should never sleep on your back or on your stomach so as to aggravate the uncomfortable situation of the baby inside the womb. So friends, I hope you would have understood what I have told you. This was all in this video. Hope you have liked the video. In case you like it, do press the like button, share it among your friends, subscribe to the channel. Let's catch up in another video on pregnancy. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy.